So Matt, one of the questions that comes up often is distinguishing between sales and marketing expenses, right? And so
Yes.
how do you think about sort of distinguishing between, what's truly a sales expense versus what's a marketing expense?
I came up with kind of a long time ago a real simple way to explain this. Marketing is standing on the top of the hill, waving your arms, saying, "Look at me, look at me, look at me." Sales is when someone walks up to you and says, "What do you got?"
Yeah.
And so marketing is all about grabbing attention. Sales is about once you have their attention, converting them into a client.
Yeah. And so I guess more tactically, right? So making that distinction between sales and marketing, like looking down the line, right? Like the obvious question is like, well, why separate them, right? You have your sales expense and then you have your marketing expense. Shouldn't we think about those together when it comes to, customer acquisition cost or other sort of metrics to keep track of?
No, I think they should be separate because they really are two different things. I, think about if you were going to hire staff to do it, you're going to have two different types of people. Sales
Yeah.
guys, they're the guys that can walk up, or salespeople can walk up to
Right.
anyone and just start a conversation. They're very
Yeah.
personable and friendly, have the conversation. Marketing people, they're more the creative thinkers. They're
Yeah.
creating different ways to
Yeah.
advertise for you, do digital marketing, flyers, this and that. Often those people aren't very they're not good at talking with people. Often they're
Yeah.
sitting behind a desk, drawing things up and coming up with plans. So it is
Yeah.
different type of people that do the work. You still want to track the expenses separately because they are different things. Let's say you might decide that the money that you're spending on marketing is just not really working out very well. Well, if you
Yeah.
see the marketing and the sales as two different expenses, sales is working out pretty well. You're getting a lot of conversions, but the marketing is not working. Maybe that's an opportunity to go and outsource that to someone
Yeah.
else and you get better bang for the buck.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
No,
by
absolutely.
separating those out, you can really get into the details of those and figure out what's the best choice for your company.
Yeah.